Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all new items from Grow Garden Fall Market Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The update has been dropped and then I'm going to show you all the new items. The first one start from the Fall Festival Seed Shop. Okay, they have added fall seed pack and I have already bought the seed pack. It costs 10 million shekels. And then I'm going to go to the fall festival pets. Okay, fall festival pet shop guys, and they have added new pet salmon, and then woodpecker, and then mallard and red panda. Okay, and then they add something to the fall festival gears shop. They have added new items such as this rake and acorn bell, acorn lollipop, and also super leaf blower. And you can also join the fall activities right here to get fall energy. You can go to this area and then you can see activities, and then you can complete the activities to get full energy, and you can complete all the tasks to get special reward. Wait, I'm going to show you how the full energy works. Okay, you can complete the activity, and at the end of the day the heart seed will convert your full energy into exciting reward. Okay, and yeah, basically you just need to complete the activity. Okay, for example, you need to complete harvest 10 corns and then give 1 maple syrup to a pet. Yeah, it's like a daily task for you guys. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.